Hi, today I'm reviewing the Ordinary's Bee Oil, and this video is brought to you by... Hi guys, this is Sarah from No BS Beauty, and I just want to remind you that I purchase all the products I review with my own money, and I'm now proud to offer these airless jars. And any support of purchase of the airless jars go to help keep the No BS Beauty channel independent. And if you're interested, there's more information in the video description box below. Thank you so much, guys. So The Ordinary recently released their Bee Oil, which is very exciting. I have a lot of different oils from The Ordinary. They've got their argan oil, their borage seed oil, Marula Oil. So anyway, so I was excited to see this one come out because it's an impressive mixture of different oils. So I'm going to let you guys know my thoughts on it based on my Sarah score scale. So my first criteria is packaging, and they've done a nice job packaging this in their traditional dropper bottle. However, I do like the fact that the glass is shaded, so it protects the good ingredients and antioxidants from exposure to light peeking through there and degrading it. So they've done a nice job packaging it. My second criteria is alcohol, and this does not contain any denatured alcohol. My third criteria is fragrance, and this is fragrance free. My fourth criteria is the manufacturing location, and this is made in Canada, like the rest of the products from Deciem and The Ordinary. My fifth criteria is ease of use, and this one is rather easy to use. It smooths over your skin very nicely. It's got a little bit of a yellow-green tint to it, as you can see, but it smooths into skin nice. It's a lighter oil. There's so many oils that can be heavy and take a long time to absorb, and this one actually feels like it soaks into your skin rather quickly. There's a lot of other oils out there that just take a long time to fully absorb, and for the most part, most of the oils I use, I typically only use them in the evening, because if I use them in the morning, it just takes too long for them to absorb before I put my makeup on. But this one I've been able to use in the morning as well as in the evening, because it just doesn't sit on top of the skin like a lot of other oils do, and just feels like it soaks in a little bit faster. So very easy to use. My sixth criteria is antioxidants, and this one has a lot of good antioxidants in it as well as a good combination of different oils in here. I love to see oils that are a blend of different oils, because like for the last few years in cosmetics, it seemed like Marula Oil was the best oil, or argan oil was the best oil, or sea berry oil is the best oil. Like, it seemed like so many companies just got focused on their oil, and that was it. That was the only oil they were going to sell. But really, for the most part, all of those oils are equally as good. There really isn't one that's better than any of the other, that can do anything better than any of the other oils. So it's nice to see a combination, because each oil has different antioxidants included in it. So it's good to see a good combination and mixture of a bunch of different oils, as opposed to just having one oil and sticking with that, because there's not one better oil. It's like picking a peptide. There's not one peptide that's better than the rest of them. It's better to expose your skin to as many different ones as you can. So that's what I love that they've done with this. And Bare Minerals had a really nice mixture of oils. And I don't think they sell that anymore, but I think their Bare Mineral Oil Elixir, I think is what it's called, but that's also a nice combination of different oils. So it's nice to see another company, but I think companies get focused on having their trademark oil, like Josie Maran with the argan oil. That's like her trademark oil that she uses. So yeah, anyway, it's nice to see a company kind of stating that it's good to get a lot of exposure to as many oils as you can, that your skin can absorb them. So yeah, oils are in general good as long as they're not fragrant oils. So so it's very good to see a nice combination of many different oils. Number 7 is animal testing, and The Ordinary is cruelty-free, which I love that. Number 8 is performance, and I love how this performs. It leaves my skin feeling nice and smooth. And also, I've been known to, after I use it on my face, if my hair's a little damp, put a little bit in my hair, at the ends of my hair, to kind of give that some hydration as well. So it performs very nicely. Number 9, which is price, and this is the full size, which is 1 ounce or 30 milliliters, and it's $9.20. So that's a bargain too, because I think like the Drunk Elephant virgin, Marula oil that they use, I think that's like $90. So this one is definitely more affordable and cruelty-free, so it's nice to see. And then on to number 10, which is the It Factor, and I gave the thumb up there. I love the fact that it's got a combination of different oils, a lot of good antioxidants, decent packaging, no fragrance, and no denatured alcohols. And yeah, so I'm really enjoying this oil, and I'll definitely continue to use it. So good combination of oils and antioxidants. So well worth checking out if you can pick it up. Sometimes it's in stock, sometimes it's not, so it's worth checking out. So yeah, so overall, it's got a 10 out of 10, which doesn't happen very often. So certainly worth checking out, especially if you have very dry or sensitive skin. So anyway, I'm interested if you guys have had a chance to try this one out yet or not, or if you use oils in your routine, which one do you use and from what brand? So I'm kind of interested in seeing. Everyone seems to have a little bit of a preference. So anyway, so leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. Feel free to subscribe if you're not already. I come with at least one new review every day. And check out nobsbeauty.net and the Amazon link below. Thank you so much, guys.